Dun, 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 dun. Surprise! Wow! Ta-da! So this is our old coffee maker and this is the new one. Cheers! Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing unboxing. So this box, this was supposed to be our Father's Day gift to my husband last March 19, but it wasn't delivered on time. Only yesterday. This arrived only yesterday. So yeah, we are going to be opening this today. Do you want to open this, love?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Dun, 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 dun. Coffee. First we have here some coffee. Oh, there's also some giveaways. More coffee. And some more coffee. Of course, I thought of getting some coffee too. Let's see the coffee later, okay? Ta-da-dan! Surprise!
Bella, thank you.
You're welcome. Careful. What does it look like? It's like a bird or it's a penguin? I don't know what it looks like. It's like a penguin, yeah?
Yes, wow, che bellina, Nessa.
Do you like that?
Yes. Sembra un pinguino. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have to assemble it.
Adesso usiamo un altro. Adesso un altro. Wow!
Finish leaf. E questo qua quello del... Ah, è vero. Ah, tutto qua. Ok, sì. That's so cute. That's our new coffee maker because the old one that we have at home. How many years do we have that, love? The old one?
3.
3 years. Sometimes it doesn't work already. Malamig yung lumalabas na water. So, I decided to buy this one since, you know, we can't live a day without drinking a coffee. So, yeah. And it also comes with this. So this is where you put the capsule that you already used here. Yeah, so cute. So this is our old coffee maker and this is the new one. As you can see, this new one is bigger than the old one. And you can also store more water in here than this one. And this looks more elegant than the old one. So cute. So we are gonna follow all this procedure first before using it. We have to clean it first. So this is gonna be the first use. We have to wash this first before using. For now, we are gonna let the water flow without anything, without any coffee, so that we can wash it internally. We can wash the internal part, I guess. I don't know if I'm using the exact term. We have to let the cold water flow, half cold water and then half warm. So this one here is cold, this one here is warm. And then warm water. Okay, and then we can now use it. Yeah, we're gonna try to make our first coffee. So we have here 96 capsules of Nesquik. That's for me. Chocolate something with milk. And this one here is 96 capsules of espresso. So each box we have 1 to 3 boxes each. Okay, voy vedere. Prendi. This one here is Nesquik. It's like Milo for say in the Philippines. No?
Yes.
This is my favorite. And also her favorite. So we have here 6 boxes and each box has 16 capsules. So 96 capsules all in all. And we have here espresso.
Espresso.
Yes, this is for him.
Yes.
Carefully. Yeah, so how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. 6 boxes with 16 capsules each. Also 96 capsules all in all. When coffee is life. Well, this is not a coffee though. Someone's busy. Oh. Cafe. So we are gonna try our first coffee. I want ginseng coffee. So first you have to lift that, and then put the capsule inside. Okay. Weird. That's for me. And then for Papi, espresso.
Yes.
You have to get the capsule and put that in there. So. Okay, okay. Cheers.
Very good.